Hey everyone, my name's Rich, I work with GOTRAX, and today we're going to be unboxing the G3 Plus. What you're going to find in the box other than the scooter itself is the handlebar assembly, the charger, the assembly tools, the G3 Plus manual, please read through this, and of course our customer service contact information in case you run into any issues. Now let's put this bad boy together. We got everything out of its boxes, now it's time to assemble the scooter together. We already have 95% of it built by GOTRAX, so we just got to get this handlebar assembly onto the tiller. Luckily with the new tiller design, we have 6 screws to secure it instead of just 2. After you get everything all assembled together, the brake line properly attached, just make sure you remove the small plastic coverings on both the console and the front headlight, and you're ready to ride. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave us any questions you have down in the comments below, and thanks for watching.